Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hello everyone, Rick here, helping you to master technology. In this video, we will be unboxing the Oppo Find X, the Lamborghini limited edition. So, let's get started. Oppo launched its most expensive smartphone Find X at an event in Paris. Along with that, the company has also introduced the Lamborghini limited edition version of the smartphone. The original Oppo Find X comes with a glass rear panel, while the Lamborghini limited edition consists of the classic carbon fiber textured back with a 3D Lamborghini car logo on it. Oppo has teamed up with the famous car maker for this special version of the Find X in other ways. The phone will have a carbon fiber texture placed under the cover glass on the back of the phone. It will also have an engraved Lamborghini logo on the back that's designed to look like a 3D effect no matter what angle you view it from. Yes, just like how Huawei collaborates with Porsche design, Oppo has collaborated with Lamborghini for its limited edition custom Oppo Find X smartphone. The truly wireless Oppo Free Bluetooth headset is designed to match the Find X handset with smooth curves and your choice of blue or red accents complementing a mostly black, all elegant look. The very sleek earbuds are actually powered by a brand new QCC3026 chip. Qualcomm literally just took the wraps off, helping the headset provide a cool 4 hours of uninterrupted music listening. In addition to energy efficiency, the entry-level flash programmable Bluetooth audio SoC comes with true wireless stereo technology, ensuring a smooth and stable experience when calling and playing your favorite tunes. That basically means the sound in both your ears should be perfectly synchronized with your phone, which somehow is not a standard, guaranteed thing yet for modern wireless earphones. Even the packaging of this phone is different than normal. Oppo says the Y design on the box comes from the car light found on the Lamborghini Aventador car. The company promises that with this fast charging technology, the smartphone can charge completely within 35 minutes. Moreover, with 5 minutes of charging, the device claims to offer 2 hours of talk time. The woven pattern found on the phone's charging cable comes from the look of the ignition coil of the V12 engine in that car. The smartphone comes in carbon fiber finish, which is actually made using the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with a 2.5D curved finish on the front and back of the smartphone. The Lamborghini limited edition comes only in one storage variant, 512GB. The company has priced the smartphone at €1,699, which translates into rupees 134,470. This pricing of the smartphone makes it more expensive than the Apple iPhone X. The 256GB iPhone X costs Rs 103,333. Apart from this, all the other specifications of the Lamborghini limited edition is same as the original Oppo Find X. The smartphone comes with an almost bezel-less display and offers 93.8% screen-to-body ratio. The smartphone features a 6.4-inch OLED HD display with 1080x2340p solution topped with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass on top. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and runs Android 8.1 Oreo operating system, based on company's own Color OS. The handset offers 8 GB of RAM and comes in two storage variants, 256 GB and 512 GB. The device packs a 3730 mAh battery with support for Super VOOC charging technology. The key highlight of the Oppo Find X is its slider camera mechanism. The smartphone comes with a pop-up module for both the front and the rear camera. Another important thing to note is that the company has omitted the fingerprint sensor and instead have included an array of sensors located on the slider, which enables the users to unlock the smartphone using 3D facial recognition. The Oppo Find X comes with a dual rear camera setup with one 6MP and two 0MP modules, and a 25MP front shooter for selfies. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.